welcome back. So the topic we are going to see is boat and streams. So it is a continuation of topic time, speed and distance. In that next we saw problem on trains. In that next concept is boat and streams. So all these concepts are based on the time, speed and distance. Okay. So here the topic is boat and streams. So stream means it is water. Okay. What we will be seeing here in this, what we can see is a boat. So okay, look at here first. Okay. Here a man is going downwards. A man is going along the stream. A man is rowing a boat. A man is rowing a boat along the stream. So here take the speed of boat as x, okay, and speed of stream as y. So man is moving along the direction of the boat. Okay. For example, a man is coming upside. So always the stream moves in downward direction. The stream moves in downward direction. If a man is going along the stream means he will be going more faster. Okay. Or else if the man is going against the stream, the water is flowing downwards. Man is going against them. Against the speed means the time taken would be very more. Okay. Let me explain you here. So look at here. This is the stream. Water is flowing down. Water always flows down. Okay. Here a man is going in a boat. Okay. So the stream I am telling a speed is x and the boat speed is y. Okay. Here both of them are going in same direction. So what we saw in relative speed, when two speed are going in same direction, we have to find the difference. But here we have to add. Y means the speed of the current pushes the man to go faster. So here I can tell downstream, person going down, which means boat speed plus current speed. So that is what they have given here. Speed is equal to speed of stream, water, plus speed of boat. It is based on the directions we have to find out. Okay. If a person going down means that is downstream. Person coming up means it is upstream. Okay. So in that same thing, boat is a person coming up. Obviously every time the stream would come down. River flows towards down only. It won't come up. Okay. Always stream would come down. So when the person is coming up, okay, what would be the upstream speed? Upstream speed. He is coming against the water. Downstream is going along the water. Okay. So it is like it will take more speed. When he is coming against the water, he is forcing the coming against the water. So I can tell his speed is reduced, which means x minus y. His speed is reduced. Okay. So downstream means boat speed as well as current speed. Note it down. Upstream means boat speed minus current speed. Water is flowing. I am moving upwards. Okay. It takes more time for me to cross. And the speed also would be very less. Okay. So here what we have to know, when speed increases, time decreases. When speed decreases, the time increases. Is that clear? So here we are having only four formulas. One is downstream is equal to x plus y. Another one, upstream is equal to x minus y. What we saw? Downstream is equal to, downstream speed is equal to x plus y. Upstream speed is equal to x minus y. When you add these two, what you will be getting? When you add these two formulas, y would get cancelled here. You will be getting upstream plus downstream is equal to 2x, is equal to 2x, or if you minus these two equations, downstream is equal to x plus y, upstream is equal to x minus y. When you minus these two equations, what happens? You will be getting downstream minus upstream is equal to x get cancelled, plus x minus x, y plus y 2y. So, here what is x? X is downstream plus upstream by 2, and here y is downstream minus upstream by 2. X is boat speed and y is speed of current. So, totally we are having 4 formulas. One is, let me write here, downstream is equal to x plus y, upstream is equal to x minus y. What is x value? X value downstream plus upstream by 2. What is y value? Downstream minus upstream by 2. So, these are the total 4 formulas we are going to use here. We have to know what is stream, what is current, water. So, stream, current, water, everything are same. Okay. Always it flows in the downward direction. When a person going along the stream, he would go more faster. If it's going more fast, the time taken would be less. When he is coming against the stream, the water is flowing here, I am going against the stream means my speed would be less. Why? Because I am going against the force of water. My speed would be less and my time taken would be more. That is the concept about boat and streams. That is the important concept here. So, next we can directly move into the problems. We saw totally 4 formulas. So, look at here, a man can row a boat. Row means he can row a boat in 18 kilometers, which means for 18 kilometers, the distance is 18 kilometers, in 4 hours. In 4 hours he can row 18 kilometers downstream, is going down, okay, and returns. So, distance is 18, a man is going in this direction, okay, and returns upstream, in 12 hours, okay. The distance is 18 kilometer. While going down, he taking only 4 hours. While coming up, the speed would be less, so time would be more. While coming up, he take 12 hours. What is the speed of stream? Which means speed of current, which is y we have to find out. So, what all the data we are having here? So, boat is going down. We are having distance and time. So, we can find the downstream speed, down speed. Okay. So, speed is equal to distance by time taken. Divided, we are getting 4.5 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, look at here, when a person coming up, the distance is 18 kilometer and the time is 12 hours. So, what is your upstream speed? Up speed. So, 18 by 12, you will be getting 3 6 are, okay, no, 6 3s are 12, 6 2s are, you will be getting 1.5 kilometer per hour speed. 1.5 kilometer per hour speed. So, we are having downstream speed. Downstream speed is 4.5 kilometer per hour. Upstream speed is 1.5 kilometer per hour. What we are asked to find out? We are asked to find out y, speed of current. What is y formula? Y is equal to downstream minus upstream divided by 2. So, downstream minus upstream divided by 2. What is downstream here? 4.5. So 4.5 minus 1.5 divided by 2. Okay. You will be getting 3 divided by 2. 4.5 minus 1.5 is 3. So you will be getting 1.5. So the speed of current is 1.5 kilometer per hour. 1.5 kilometer per hour. So using that 4 formulas, we can solve all kind of problems on boats and streams. Okay. So with this, I am moving on to second one here. Is that okay? So here, a motor boat in still water. So still water, there is no movement for water. Okay. Travels at a speed of 36 kilometer per hour. Okay. It goes 56 kilometer upstream in 1 hour 45 minutes. The time taken by it to cover the same distance downstream is what? So first we have to know what is still water. Still water means there is no movement, there is no flow, there is no movement for water. The water is still. For example, a lake or a pond, there is no movement for water. Okay. So in that still water, boat speed is 36, which means x is 36 kilometer per hour. Boat speed is 36. Now the same boat, when it is going in a river, it is going upstream. Okay, going upstream in 1 hour 46 minutes. Upstream distance is 56 kilometer. To cover this 56 kilometer up, it is taking 1 hour 45 minutes. 1 hour 45 minutes. So convert minutes into hours. So we will be getting 45 divided by 60. 15 3s are 15 4s are. So we will be getting 1 3 by 4. 1 3 by 4. So convert here. Convert the mixed fraction to fraction. 4 into 1 4 plus 3 7 by 4. So time taken is 7 by 4 hours. Okay. We are having distance, we are having time. Okay. So we can find the current speed. Okay. Now here next part is the time taken by it to cover same distance downstream. They are asking, it is going up the 56 kilometer in 7 by 4 hours. Okay. So what is the time taken to come down? Okay. So just look at the question here. What could be the answer? Okay. First let us solve and then tell you one shortcut how to find answer without solving. Okay. So here what I can do here? Upstream speed here. We are having distance and time. Find the upstream speed. So distance by time of 56 divided by 7 by 4. So this 4 goes to the top here. You will be getting 56 into 4 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 eights are. 4 into 8 you will be getting 32. So upstream speed is 32. Okay. It is going upstream. The speed is 32. What is upstream? Upstream means x minus y. So look at here. Upstream means x minus y. What is x value? So x value they have given us boat speed as 36. Just substitute here. Upstream is 32. Boat speed is 36 minus y. So y is equal to 36 minus 32 we are getting 4. 4 kilometer per hour. So current speed is, the speed of water is 4 kilometer per hour. Now what we are asked to find out, the distance is 56. Okay. While coming down, what is the time taken? Okay. So we are asked to find the downstream speed is equal to distance by time. What is downstream speed? We are asked to find out time. So time equal to distance by downstream speed. So distance here is 56 kilometer. What is downstream speed? Downstream speed means x plus y. It is x plus y. What is x here? X is 36, y is 4. X plus y. So x is 36, y is 4. When I add, I will be getting 40. Okay. So 8 sevens are 56, 8 fives are 40. So 7 divided by 5. So 7 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5, you will be getting 2. You will be getting 1, 2 by 5. So convert into minutes. So 5 ones are 5, 12s are 2 into 12, 24, which means 1 hour 24 minutes. So it will take 1 hour 24 minutes to go down. Okay. So now look at the answer, 1 hour 24 minutes. So answer is option B. So while solving a problem, I said without solving I can find the answer. How? Look at here. Look at the time taken. Time taken to go upstream. Time taken to go upstream. So upstream time is what? 1 hour 45 minutes. So downstream time would be what? Normally if you compare means downstream we would go in fast, we would go very fast. Okay. At that time, time taken would be less when compared to coming up. So this is the fact. So time taken for upstream is always lesser than time taken to go down. Why? Means I am going along the water. So I would take less minutes when compared to coming against the water. So here the time taken for downstream would be always lesser than upstream time. Upstream time 145. So your answer would be less than 1 hour 45 minutes. Just compare the options. So here each options are above 1 hour 45. Only one option is less than 1 hour 45. So directly I can tell this is the answer. Okay. With this we can move on to next problem here. Yeah. Look at here. A boat covers a 24 kilometer upstream and 36 kilometer downstream in 6 hours. So 24 kilometer it is going up and 36 kilometer it is going down in total 6 hours. So which means the total time taken is 6 hours. Which so time taken to go up plus time taken to come down is 6 hours. What is time taken? Time is distance by speed. So distance, okay, distance is 24. 24 divided by speed. What is upstream speed? I just don't know. I am writing as upstream speed. Okay. And 36 kilometer is coming down. So distance by speed, which is downstream speed, is equal to 6. Okay. This is the this equation I got from the first point. Okay. Now look at the second point here. While it covers 36 kilometer upstream and 24 kilometer downstream, just as a vice versa. So how can I write this one? So I can write as 36 upstream plus 24 downstream, and the total time taken is 6.5 hours. which means 6.5 hours. Is that clear? We are having two equations. With this, we have to find out. We have to find out the speed of current. Current means Y speed is what? Okay. So look at here. So let me write the first equation here. 24 by downstream plus 36 by upstream is equal to 6. Do a cross multiply here. When you do, you will be getting 24 upstream plus 36 downstream divided by ds into us is equal to 6. This part would go here. So, you will be getting 24 upstream plus 36 downstream is equal to 6 downstream upstream. So, take it as equation 1. What about second part here? 36 by us plus 24 by ds is equal to 6.5. So, 36 by ds downstream speed plus 24 by upstream speed is equal to 6.5. When I multiply, I will be getting 36 us plus 24 downstream speed is equal to 6.5 downstream upstream speed. Take this as equation 2. So, what we can do here? We have to find any one variable, downstream or upstream. So, I am multiplying equation 1 by 3. Okay. So, I would be getting multiply by 3 and this equation multiply by 2. Okay. So, when I multiply, what I will be getting here? 72 us 3 into 74 plus 108 downstream is equal to 18 downstream upstream. Okay. That is equation 1. Equation 2 is like, okay, multiply equation 2 by 2. 2 into 36, you will be getting 72 upstream plus 48 downstream is equal to 6.5 into 2. You would be getting 13 downstream upstream. Now, minus these two equations, 72 us would get cancelled. So, 108 downstream minus 48, you will be getting 60 downstream is equal to 5 ds us. So, downstream would get cancelled here. So, you are having 60 is equal to 5 times upstream, 5 ones are 5 12s are. So, upstream speed is 12. So, I got the upstream speed as 12. Now, what can I do here? Substitute upstream speed in equation 1 or in equation 2. To get downstream speed, I am just substituting in equation 1. So, 24 into 12, okay, 24 into 12 plus 36 downstream is equal to 6 into upstream is 12. So, 6 into 12, 72. I can write as 72 ds. So, look at here, 24 into 12, you will be getting 288 is equal to 72 ds minus 36, you will be getting 36 downstream speed. Okay. So, now downstream speed is equal to 288 divided by 36. Okay. Just divide it. So, just multiply and see, 36 into 8, 6 8s are 48, 4 8s are, so 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 4, 28. So, 36 ones are 36 8 times. So, downstream speed is 8 kilometer per hour. Upstream speed is 12 kilometer per hour. Okay. So, I got downstream as 8, upstream as 12. So, what we are asked to find out? We are asked to find out the speed of current. What is current speed? Y. Y is nothing but downstream minus upstream divided by 2. So, that is it in both and stream. So, it is like total 4 formulas. Okay. So, it is a combination of time, speed, distance, problem on trains and boat and streams. So, in problem on trains we saw 4 formulas, and in boat and streams we were having 4 formulas. With this we can solve all kind of sums. It's okay. Okay guys, thank you.